Hi there everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and I am here to talk about our brand new acrylic boards. Okay, so these are designed to fit our gel presses. Okay, so we've got an acrylic, a round one here called Roland, and we've got the oval one here called elliptical. We've also got squarely, and we've got boblong here. Okay, so as I say, these are to fit our elliptical, boblong, squarely and Roland gel presses. So I'm just going to give you a quick demo just to show you how easy they are to use. So I have got the boblong here, so let's just take this out of the packaging and you will see that we've got little markers here on where we actually pop our gel press, that being the centre. So I'm going to pop that down and just take my gel press. Now that makes it nice and easy to centralise it. There we go. Okay, so I am just going to ink up now using the elements. This is olive and we're going to use graphite. So I'm just inking up my brayer and I'm popping that down straight on the top of the gel press. And then taking the graphite, I'm going to pop a little bit of the graphite down as well. Just blend a little in. So taking a fan brush now, I'm just going to pick up some water, tap some over the top. I've also got here the Kuretake Gold Drop of Shimmer, which is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of that from the fan brush and just tap just a little tiny amount onto the boblong. I only want tiny little dots, just enough to give it a little bit of a shimmer. Okay, so now we are ready. So you can, of course, pop your card down this way, and that's fine. But you've also got the choice of actually turning it over and popping it on that way. And that way, you can see exactly where you're placing it, and you can see all that gorgeous colour and pattern and where you need to press it. You can see it slightly moving around. Okay, so we are good to go with that now. So let's just take that off. And there we have it. There's our gorgeous background with that lovely drop of shimmer coming through. We've also got some lovely speckles going on up here as well. But today I just wanted to show you how quick and easy these boards are to use, making your life a little bit simple. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.